Is Bestsoluvs.Click just another online store, or a scam waiting to happen? If you've been eyeing those too good to be true deals in 2026, you need to hear this before clicking buy. First off, let's talk trust. As of January 2026, Bestsoluvs.Click has a trust score of 0. Yup, 0. Major review platforms like Trustpilot can't find a single shred of reliability here. That's a major red flag. And it gets worse. It's grouped with a bunch of other sketchy .click sites like WSSuperR.Click and LoveTrueR.Click. These are often reported for bad customer experiences and, you guessed it, scamming. Now, you might be tempted by promises of mystery boxes or crazy discounts, but reports show that these kinds of sites have a history of impersonating big retailers. Think Click South Africa, just to trick you out of your money. So how do you spot a scam like this? Let me break it down. First, check that weird domain extension. Click is cheap and used by a lot of fly-by-night websites. Next, dig for company info. If there's no real address, no working phone number, or the privacy policy looks sketchy, run the other way. Watch out for strange payment options too. If they push you towards crypto, wire transfers, or fishy third-party processors, that's a huge warning sign. And don't ignore the little things. Bad grammar, broken links, and a messy design usually mean the site was thrown together in a hurry. Here's what I'd do. Don't put in your credit card. Don't give them your login details. If you're still curious, check the site's safety status using the Google Transparency Report. Just drop the URL in. Or look up the domain's age on whois.com. If it's brand new, that's not a good sign. And if you must shop, stick to payment methods with buyer protection like credit cards or PayPal. Bottom line, Bestsoluvs.Click is loaded with scam signals. Protect yourself, shop smart, and always double-check before you trust a new website.